Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, medyo weird yung setup natin because actually biglaan to. Naisip ko lang talaga na mag-film ngayon, so I wasn't able to like fully set up. And literal, kakagaling ko lang talaga sa shower, but that's okay. Today's video is going to be another video dedicated for skincare. Yesterday kasi I received a package from WishTrend.com. If you're not familiar with Wish Trend, actually Wish Company, ano ko sila nakita talaga sa YouTube. It's Wish Trend TV. And alam mo yun, I really love that channel because they really talk about skincare and sometimes makeup, but more on skincare. And then they try out different products. Alam mo yun, talaga marami ka matututunan sa kanila, lalo na if you're a fan of Korean skincare because Wish Company is from Korea. And if you're familiar with Dear Klairs or Klairs, they're the people behind Dear Klairs. And actually, if you go to their website, marami kang makikita about beauty, about skincare, and you can also purchase different products ng Dear Klairs. And they also carry other brands, Korean brands, such as Cosrx, Skin Miso, Mizon, and a lot, just like a lot. Story time muna tayo. And then one day isang araw, they asked me to be an affiliate, which means, well, basically, if I'm gonna be an affiliate, I can provide you guys, my subscribers, discounts sa products nila, sa website nila. So it's a win-win situation, guys. So as a welcoming present, I consider this as a welcoming present, being an affiliate of theirs. Nagpadala sila ng Angry Skin Calming Package. And puro ito Dear Klairs products. Honestly, you guys, I love Dear Klairs. Ang una ko na-try sa kanila is Dear Klairs, itong Supple Preparation Facial Toner. A lot of YouTubers din favorite to. And this is like my second bottle na. That's how much I love it. That's how much it works on my skin and calming my skin. I'm so happy because I'll be able to try more Dear Klairs products. Specifically, itong Angry Skin Calming Package nila. Itong mga products na to, it will help calm your skin. If your skin is super sensitive, acne prone, and alam mo yon, maga, and madaling ma-irritate, these products are perfect for you. So for today, itatry ko lahat yung mga products. And then later on, I'm going to update you guys what it did to my skin. So let me just show you my before skin. I have a lot of breakouts here. The first step, after cleansing, I already cleansed my face because I took a bath. Even out your skin with Klairs Supple Preparation Toner. So that is what we're gonna do. Ito guys, I've used this na. I do have breakouts here, pero kung hindi siguro ako gumagamit nito, my breakouts would be, alam mo yun, matambok. Wait, ayusin ko lang yung aking chinis. So I did an Instagram unboxing for these products. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me at MOR1019Bea. So I think my skin is prepped na. As you can see, na-moisturize talaga agad yung aking skin. Toner pa lang yan. Alright guys, so this is Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. It says here, replenish moisture, gentle soothing, water-based formula, which is perfect and vegan friendly. So let me just open it. Oh wow, it looks like this, and I love na sealed siya. By the way guys, yung description box is gonna be full of links if you want to know more about these products and where to get it and all that. So this is the Rich Moist Serum, and over here, this is so cute, look at that. This is the freshly juiced vitamin drops, and it looks like this, also sealed, very good. It has pure vitamin C and Centinella asiatica extract. Improves skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. I love it. Pump enough amount of Rich Moist Soothing Serum and then mix 3 drops of the vitamin C. Oop. Alright, I think this is enough. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to mix it. Then I'm going to apply it, especially on this area. That feels so good. So good. Oh, it says here, guys, vitamin C products are recommended to use during the evenings. So this is most likely for nighttime, but you can also use it at daytime. Pero make sure na meron ka daw sunscreen. Alright, so next product is squeeze a suitable amount of rich moisture soothing cream and apply it throughout the entire face. So the packaging looks like this. Rich moist soothing cream. It replenishes moisture, gentle and soothing, non-greasy feeling, and again vegan friendly. So it looks like this. I love it. So it has 60 ml or 2 ounces of products inside, and I love their packaging, you guys, because again it's sealed. Sigurado ka na hindi siya tinest, hindi siya inopen or whatsoever. Absorb na ng skin ko yung serum and vitamin C. It is time. I don't know about you guys, pero there are some products na alam mo yung unang apply mo ko lang, it's going to be good for your skin. It's so good right now. Next product included in the package, you guys, is this one right here. This is the Klairs or Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream, Intensive Soothing Care After Sun Use. And ito, so it says here, use Midnight Blue Calming Cream in areas of sensitivity or irritation. For me, it's like over here. Mix with rich, moist, soothing cream and apply it smoothly throughout the face when redness occurs. So if you're like super duper, your skin is like super duper irritated or something like that, mix it with this one, alright, before you apply it in your entire face. Kaya lang, you guys, it says here, it may cause peeling if applied directly before makeup. Peeling, as in like kapag nilagay mo siya, magkakaroon siya ng parang buo-buo or something like that. So this is not good if you're gonna use makeup on top. So I suggest you use this at nighttime, or you can probably use it at daytime or something like that, pero nasa bahay ka lang. You're not gonna do anything. You're not gonna put on makeup or something like that. So since I'm going to work and maglalagay talaga ako ng makeup, it's inevitable. So I'm not gonna use this right now. But tonight I'm going to use this. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna include it sa clip na ite. If I won't be able to add it like an additional clip, I'm going to include this update in the next video. So let's just see what it looks like inside. Oh, look, you guys, it has a scoop. Wow, it is blue. I'm definitely gonna use this tonight. So it looks like this. So nice. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. That's everything I got on the Angry Skin Calming package from Wish Trend. So thank you so much, Wish Trend, for sending me these products. And thank you so much for providing my subscribers, my followers, discounts. Guys, if you want to get any of these products or yung entire package, or if you want to check out other Korean skincare brands, Cosrx, Kinmise, and whatnot, I have an affiliate link down below. Kapag kinlik mo yon and you use that link to buy any of these products, you're gonna receive discounts, like amazing discounts. So be sure to click the link below so you can get these products, or if you want to like check out other products or gusto mo lang talaga malaman anything about Korean skincare, go click that link. And I highly suggest na mag-subscribe din kayo sa Wish Trend TV kasi ako matagal na nila akong follower and ang dami ko natututunan sa kanila. I kid you not, legit. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please watch out for the update. Please watch out for my skincare update using these products. So yeah, click the link below for discounts. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.